What is up, folks? Welcome back to another episode of Fish Meat for Dinner. Today we're out on the Wolf River here in Fremont, Wisconsin. It's a place I've fished a lot in the summer, but it's March 14th, I believe, today. So pretty early. We got pretty lucky. We got a good warm front coming in and it's melting all the ice and everything. So the pier's up and open down there on the Fox. So we went there yesterday, and today we're out on the Wolf, me and my dad, and see if we can catch some fish. So without further ado, let's get into fishing.
I got my limit. Look, he's getting held there.
What are we doing here?
Walleye fishing. What is it? March what?
Like 14th. Maybe?
She inhaled her on the old Wolf River action. Nice fish. I'm with my boy. Piece of shit.
We'll take a picture with it.
I'm not gonna hold it up. Gross.
No?
You want to take your picture with it?
I think that's technically a sucker. Red sucker.
Look at its mouth on the front. It's kind of cool how its mouth is, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like it's weird. I'm like, I thought I had a gun on there for a second. Whoa, 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 whoa! What is it? Shut up! Really?
Yeah.
You fucking bitch! Oh, is it a catfish or something? What is it?
It's one of them things.
Gopro on? Giant pig. I'm a king of the warthogs.
You gotta get a cool video of you releasing it.
Good job, dude. Look at her. Successful.
Just goes to show.
I lost the minnow that I had in my hand too.
Bass guy can catch a walleye.
Just goes to show you, gold jig actually works.
Yeah. Maybe I don't need to change my bait.
There you go, fish meat.
About
You're on the
time.
board.
About time. Alright, folks, finally caught one. Not gonna lie, my dad's been kicking my butt. It's 3-1 now. So I gotta do better on my behalf, catch some more of these guys. But not a bad little eater. Like my dad explained a little bit earlier, we're on the Wolf River today. A place that I hold near and dear to my heart. This is kind of where I grew up fishing. And now I didn't necessarily jig for walleye like this in the river a whole lot. But this is like what my grandpa and my dad always did, so it's kind of cool to carry on that tradition and spend time with my dad out here, as well as kind of maybe teach you guys or inspire you guys to come out here and do this as well. So we got some dinner. We'll maybe even do a catch and cook. Who knows? So let's get them in the well and keep fishing. Woo! That's a better one, huh?
Yeah. Good job.
That was just a distraction. So what were you doing there? Because we spot locked. You just kind of let your jig go back.
Yeah, it was just going like this because the current was going faster, and all of a sudden I could see there's 3 or 4 marks on there. And, you know, obviously it's like right back there. And got him.
That one's probably what, 18 incher or something?
Yeah, nice one.
That one.
Any tag in it? What? Oh, nice fish though. It's got a zit on its head. Look there, a little bump. Hi, guy. Get the ruler. Let's see what it is. What, 18 and a halfer?
Yep.
Nice. These cheeks are gonna taste. These cheeks are gonna taste good in the frying pan.
Alrighty, folks. We had a pretty good day today out here on the Wolf River. Had a great day spending it fishing with my dad here. We don't really get to go fishing a whole lot with me being in college, and we're always pretty busy. So
We were getting jiggy with it.
yeah, we're getting jiggy with it. Had to get used to this, being a bass guy and whatever now, but get down to my roots, catch some Walters. Have a great day.
They're gonna be tasty.
Fry them up later. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you'd like to see a detailed video on how to jig out here, I will put that together for you guys. Other than that, have a great day, and we'll see you in the next episode of Fish Meat for Dinner. See ya!